Okay, so in this video I'm going to be demonstrating notching the new white keytops. See that line in front of the black sharps is straight where that ruler is right now, and as I move the straight edge down to that spot and line it up, you'll see that one of the notches is correct but the other side is not. So I'm going to take each key out to the router bit and cut that notch, and we'll cross our fingers and hope it turns out right. Okay, so I've got the key over to the router bit. I'm going to pass it through. Now I had to experiment a couple times in getting that key, how to safely get it around the spinning router bit. It's pretty dangerous. And then to crank it down just a little bit so it doesn't jump up on me, and then pull it through slowly, and right there you see it coming through the router slowly. Then I can finally pull it out. I'll bring it over to the keyboard and see if it matches up. Right there, you can see that those two notches now match up with the sharp. Take the next one over. I'm raising that little lock nut high enough so I can pass it over the router bit, lock it down in place, and I'll slowly drag it through right there, and I'm through and it hasn't chipped out. I've successfully pulled it through. Let's see if it lines up. It should, and it does. Look at that. Next one. Okay, this time, oh! That was a little error. I was a little hasty. I didn't raise it high enough before going over the router bit. So fortunately, it was not disastrous. And so you can see I'm looking down this time to make sure I'm clearing everything. And I am, so I crank it down, snug it tight. I'm not cranking it down. I'm just snugging it tight so it doesn't jump up on me with the spinning router bit. Slowly pulling it through. There it is, coming through very, very slowly, because there's a risk of chipping out the keytops as has happened in the past. But it looks like it's turning out. I got a new router bit, got a new procedure, and that is lining up. Okay, got the next key. 1, 2, 3, just 3 more, including this one. Push that key down, quickly snug it in place. So I'm getting more efficient as the video goes on, so that's exciting. Pull it out. Let's go see if it matches up. And it looks perfect. So there's 2 more to go, and we'll hit the home stretch here. Slowly pulling it through again. This is exciting. It's working, and this is a fun process. I've gotten it down so that it's safe and relaxing, so that the results are just right. I fine-tuned my router table to provide good, consistent results. I'm raising that high enough now so I can pass across the router bit without marring up the key, and then snugging it down, slowly pulling it back through the router bit. slowly through, slowly through. And there it is, safely through. I take it out and let's see if there's a match. Looks like they've turned out great. I'm excited about the results. And there it is. Thanks, guys.